everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this tempered glass screen protector install for my Motorola Razr Fold 2026. I got this rubbery grippy pad here to help hold my Moto Razr Fold in place. Picked up some tempered glass screen protectors over at Amazon, third-party company. I'll link the information down below in the description area. Protection, good. Got some information on the back there. I'm not going to take the time to go through all of that. Just make sure you read everything. And again, the link will be down below so you can check out these glass protectors. Also comes with camera glass protectors. I don't know if I'm going to use those. Yeah, I don't know. Put that over to the side. You actually get two of those, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. Either way, what I'm going to do is pull out one of two that you get. This screen protector is going to have a slight curve at the top, bottom, and sides because our Razr Fold, and most of you know this by now, has a slight curve display, cover display. And this is a edge adhesive glass protector or border adhesive glass protector. So that means you're going to have a little bit of a gap on the inside of the screen protector and the cover display. So we'll see how that ends up working out as far as the touch response.
So what I'm going to do is speed up the video. I only need one of these and that right there. Put the extra one away, and yeah, we'll see how this works out. It should be a pretty simple install. So let's speed up the video and get this done. All right.
Okay, so that went on pretty easy. You can see the edge of the glass protector. I can't feel the gap. Typically with some of these edge adhesive glass protectors, you can kind of feel the gap, but I don't feel the gap. So I think it's on there pretty good. We're going to test out my Poetic Spartan frame without the built-in screen protector. Very simple to remove that with a blow dryer. Just take your time and push that puppy out. Okay, so we want to do that. This part of the frame is going to move a little bit. I do have an adhesive strip that I can add to this part of the frame underneath there so I can hold that in place, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. It does get fingerprints, but you know what? It's okay. Okay, so let's get the back part of the Poetic Spartan. Want to make sure we have that earpiece open there. Very nice. The edge of the screen protector is right there, so that's great. All right, let's go ahead and turn on. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out the touch response. I don't feel the gap. I did read some of the customer reviews over at Amazon, and one of the areas that the customers' feedback was saying that you could feel the gap. I cannot feel the gap. Maybe some of you are more sensitive because I cannot feel the gap. Okay. So if we go into YouTube, or this is my YouTube studio, and I just removed the Armor Suit Wet Screen Protector, which is a great screen protector, but I wanted glass. So if you don't mind the process on how to install a wet screen protector, and you like that type of screen protector, please watch the video. It's a very simple process. Yeah, I think you might enjoy it. It worked out for me for a few days, but this is what I really wanted. Okay. Folks, there's no issues with the touch response and no issues with the frame of the Poetic Spartan case here causing any issues with the tempered glass screen protector or vice versa. And it just looks really, really nice. And that's what I wanted. Now, in my opinion, Motorola should have added a pre-installed screen protector. They failed. That's a thumbs down. And I got to assume that they knew it was going to be very, very difficult for us, the consumer, to find something high quality when it comes to screen protectors for this device. Outside of this Spartan Poetic case, everything I've brought in has been purchased from a third-party company from Amazon. They've had to know that there wasn't going to be a lot of name brand products out there for this device. So why not just pre-install a really good quality type screen protector? And what comes to mind, the company that comes to mind is OnePlus. And other companies do it too, but that would have been a huge thumbs up. And then all we would have had to do is wait to see what companies were going to put out cases. And right now, so far as name brand companies, it's Poetic, and it's going to be another couple weeks. And Tudio will be putting out a case. So they've contacted me again to let me know they're still working on it, and soon they will be putting out a case, and they're going to send me a case to review. But right now, the Spartan case is doing great. It's awesome. There's other color choices coming from Poetic. They're going to send me a blue one, so stay tuned for that review. But so far, this glass protector, which is, again, an edge adhesive or border adhesive type glass protector, seems to be working great as far as touch response. So no issues, and I don't feel the gap. And if you have any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. Again, all the information to purchase in the description area. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.
That's all, folks.